What up, guys? So we're doing some big things this day. We're like going down to we're going down to the airport, and we're at like a private airport right now. So my friend has a hangar, and he's wanting some graphics on it, and we are about to apply them. So it's really a cool setup. You have to have like restricted. It's all restricted access stuff. So you want to. I think it is neat. It is cool. So we're just like taxiing down the runway, but in vehicles. The runway's actually over there, I think. We flew out of here one time, and he, it's pretty wild if you've ever flown one of those small airplanes. It's definitely different than the commercial. So we are pulling up to the hangar, I think. He's changed it around. He's got a few planes now, so should be pretty exciting. Let's see here. I think we're here. All right, I'm gonna go inside and I'll show you guys what's up. Guys, we made it. We're at the airport. We're gonna go inside the hangar and we're gonna check out some of the planes he's got in here. It's pretty wild. Come on in. I feel pretty lucky actually to have access to some of this cool stuff. Like, I'm sure everybody has office jobs. My job is so cool because I don't know what I'm gonna do every day. Like today, I'm in an airplane hangar with hot rods and airplanes and all kinds of wild stuff, just because my friends have something cool they want to do. And this is pretty exciting. This is so lit. I couldn't imagine having all these toys to play with and just like not playing with them all the time. I can imagine renting a plane and learning to fly and be like, well, I hope it goes good. I'm gonna, hope it goes great. We're gonna just fly away. I don't even know what you can actually touch on these things. This thing's hopefully good. Good deal. I have no idea. I've only flown in that. I flew in that plane one time. I flew it for like 5 minutes. It was so scary. Like legit. Like I was like, what in the world? I'm not doing this with my life. I was like, take the controls back. He's laughing the whole time. Having such a good time. And we got on one of those clouds. Jesus. This is a really good, cool plane though. It was a really cool flight. It was like a highlight of my trip. So, you want to put some stickers on? You want to do this? Let's do it. All right, let's get going. We're gonna put on his Pegasus Aviation Rental. So these planes are for rent. If you're learning to fly, you can grab one up and he'll let you fly it around. And hopefully he's really insured for this. So it should be pretty exciting. I think we're gonna put them on right here. So this is where you want them?
Yeah, up as high as you can get that'll fit.
High as you can get it. Can I sit on any of this? Do I need a ladder probably?
Not get a ladder.
Okay, yeah. All right, we'll get some gear together and we'll check back in with you guys in just a minute. What up, guys? We're gonna stick some plain graphics on. Oh my God, I almost fell off this thing. These are so light. got it all wrapped up. We're ready for some flying. Got a good day to get out there and catch some wind. So we got these all on there. We'll know if they're gonna stay on when he gets them out there. So, look pretty good to me. But this is our first draft of this. So he didn't really know what we needed or wanted, so we're kind of just getting it tagged and labeled. And I really like the way the one looks on the first plane we did. I like that on the blue. I think that's everybody's favorite. That fit a little better to me. He just tried to make it more universal the first time. We'll come back out and we'll reapply some modified versions. Now that we've seen it, he kind of knows what he's looking for. We'll probably change this logo up a little bit and add some like blue border behind the yellow to help it stand off a little bit. I'd like to make this horse maybe a little bigger to fit this size of plane, but this will work for now. It'll keep everybody happy for a minute. You get to know what they're doing. And we've got a car over here we tinted a while back. It's Hot Rod. I've seen him do a pretty wicked burnout in this thing. This reminds me of like a plane that you'd see like in some kind of old-timey movie. They do like stunts and stuff. That's super sick. These are tough cars to tint too. Could you imagine just flying that around? That's regular. Jeez, this is pretty clean. That's a fire tint job right here. This thing was rough when he started it too. Like it was really rough. And now it's beautiful. Nice clean paint job. Plane to match. Baller status. No big deal. I gotta go, man. We gotta go do something else. All right, we'll see you guys on the other side.